Statistics show that CPR is only successful in a minority of cases, and even then, it can cause significant physical harm. Even when CPR is successful in restarting the heart, the patient may be left with residual brain damage. Some patients never regain consciousness. So CPR isn't always the right response. Some people will even sign an advance decision to refuse treatment, indicating that they do not wish to receive CPR. A valid advance decision to refuse CPR is legally binding. In the absence of a valid advance refusal, healthcare professionals may still make a Do Not Attempt CPR recommendation, or DNACPR, where they believe there is no reasonable prospect of CPR being effective or that the harms outweigh the benefits. Here, they record their recommendations by completing a DNACPR form. DNACPR recommendations are not legally binding, but clinical staff dealing with a cardiac arrest take a recorded recommendation into account using their clinical judgment to decide whether CPR is appropriate. The clinician in attendance at the time of cardiac arrest takes final responsibility for the decision. In the absence of a DNACPR recommendation, initiation of CPR is usually held to be appropriate.